Good day, traders. Just another day showing you a quick example on the old drop and tickle strategy. So yeah, 9:30 a.m. whole New York thing starts. Eastern Standard Time. Got a big drop, comes up, and then as it comes up, it drops back down. And you're just looking for some bumps here. We are live time. But where does it bump off? Where does it have a little bit of a bump? I drew these out for you to see. So up, down, big up. So this here, it's definitely a prominent point. It just kind of sticks out like a sore thumb, kind of like this bottom does here, except just a little bit higher. But it's just really obvious. Like, this is obvious, this is obvious, this is obvious here. It's got a flat spot there. That's fairly obvious. But like this spot here, not really obvious. So yeah, I marked that out, and let's just go on the other side and see where it bounces off of. So here, just take a good look at that before I move it over. So body, wick, okay, got that? And then we'll just zoom over here, reset chart view, and let's just see where it bounces off of. So there you go, there's a body, that last body, and there's the wick, and it kind of just bounces right off there. And then here's the next one, it bounces off there. So yeah, isn't that crazy how that works, eh? So I mean, imagine if you were just like, oh yeah, I'll just like totally set like a little thing there, just put that there, and I don't know, maybe it's like you're thinking like maybe put like, you judge from like here to here. Okay, so it's like you're like maybe just double that. So it's like, what's you could like do something like this from layer to layer. Okay, so that's like that, and then we'll just double that. Yeah, so let's just double that, and then just double it more. So yeah, there you go. And what do you want, like 1 to 2? That's pretty solid. Like, look, just boom, 3 minutes. Or like if you know it's a really prominent spot like that, like you could have got like a freaking 5-banger there, eh? 5-banger, you guys like 5-bangers? Anyhow, something to check out, guys. Something to check out. Just take a gander at it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope this helps. If it helps, send me a thumbs up. Love them thumbs up. Peace.